गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. We have been reciting this shloka from our childhood. Haven't we wondered to know the meaning of this? The first step in this journey of understanding the meaning of shlokas is knowing how to split the words. The knowledge required to do this is Sandhi. Let us see three amazing facts about Sandhis. Deva Alayah, Deva Alayah, Deva Alayah, Devalayah. Sandhi is a voice phenomenon. It occurs naturally when words and the letters within come very close to each other. There are around 24 forms of Sandhis, which occur in three ways, namely, as a friend, Mitravadagamaha, as an enemy, Shatruvadadeshaha, or invisibility, Adarshanam Lopaha. Knowledge of Sanskrit Sandhis make the understanding of joining and splitting of letters easier. This in turn enhances regional language capabilities. Do you want to learn 24 Sanskrit Sandhis in a fun and interactive way, sitting at the comfort of your home and at the time of your choice? Then why delay? Enjoy learning Sandhis through our interactive tools. Learn the concepts thoroughly. Strengthen the concept with the help of tables. Reinforce each combination through hundreds of examples. Practice through thousands of exercise questions. Play these games which makes your learning authentic, fun and complete. Test yourself by taking up the course end assessment and get certified. Strengthen your Sandhi knowledge through this first interactive self-learning tool, created by a team of expert academicians, renowned grammar scholars, creative minds and technologists. These are available in 4 modules. Introduce yourself to Sandhi for free and enjoy learning each module at ₹99 only. To start learning, visit our website www.sanskritfromhome.org. Click on any of these banners in the What's New section. Click on Enroll Now in the course page. Click on Enroll Now and make the payment to start learning. Contact us for any queries. Learn Sanskrit, be happy, be really happy.